Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, today I'm here with Sangeetha and Marshall, and we're going to do something a bit different today because I'm a fan of MasterChef and I like watching their challenges. I thought today we will do a mystery box challenge, and I've hidden some ingredients. And these two are going to have to make something with these ingredients under here.
Are we facing off each other?
Yes, and we'll see. I'll taste them at the end and see whose I like the most.
It's going to be mine.
We'll see.
No pressure in that.
So who wants to see the mystery ingredients?
All right, let's see.
Lift this up.
Whoa.
So I'll just explain what we have. A lot of these are leftovers, so you might have leftovers in your fridge and not know what to do with them. So maybe you can be inspired by Marshall and Sangeetha of what you could do with some leftovers. So we have leftover carrot cake, we have leftover pumpkin and coconut smoothie, we have leftover custard, we have whipped coconut cream, and this is whipped butter. It's like what you get at McDonald's. And then we have other things like fresh fruit, we have chocolate, we have nut butter and spicy roasted nuts, coconut oil, coconut, oats, dried fruit. So there's a selection of things. So I want to see what you can create. Just for a few ideas, there's actually a lot of things you could do with a leftover cake. What would you say?
Like, eat it?
Eat it?
Well, apart from that, to make something more creative out of it.
Or it can be like the base of a ground. Like something like that.
Yeah, you could mash it up and make it like the base of a cheesecake or something. Or you could mix it with some of these other things and make like a chocolate slice with melted chocolate in it.
I have a question.
Yeah.
What if we both want to use the cake?
No, but then you can halve it. And
I'm using the cake.
Yeah, well, I think you have a good idea for cake too. What are some of your ideas?
I can't tell.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe you
might
shouldn't tell. Well, I've given you a few hints. So I'm going to give you about half an hour.
Okay.
And I've got all the equipment, everything you need. Just ask me if you need something. And you can try and make something using as many of these things as you can. And there's other things if you want to add anything to it.
Okay.
So I'll give you about 30 minutes and your time starts now. Sangeetha, what have you decided to make?
It's a secret. Just kidding.
Well, you've got to say at some point.
Mine's a secret as well.
Oh, they're both secrets. How the viewers going to even know what's happening?
Well,
They want to know what's going on over here.
I'm making a cake pop.
Oh, wow. Well, that was a good idea. And Marshall, what are you doing with the apple?
it's a secret.
It's interesting you're doing a carving.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, I've seen like a lot of like the Chinese and Japanese do like carvings of vegetables and fruit.
Well, this one is it's just a carving that it's a secret.
Yeah.
But just know that it's an apple carving.
Wow, that looks very interesting. And what are you going to do over here?
That's chocolate.
Milk chocolate. And what's this going to be for?
To coat the cake pop.
Oh, yum. Marshall, the time is ticking.
That's all right.
So you need to do something else as well.
Yes.
Rather than just using one thing, you've got to try and use a few. Yeah?
Yep.
What is this? Oh, that looks like chili powder. We're going to make spicy cake pops. Yum. Is that a swan?
It is a swan.
Oh, that's really cool.
Very delicate swan. So the piece that I'm making is called Swan Lake.
Oh, okay. Like the ballet.
Yes, like the ballet.
They look like good cake pops. Yum. Looks like he's making some rocks around the lake with the ginger. What are you doing now?
I'm going to make a hot chocolate.
Oh, yum. You know what I like? Trying to get the points, aren't you? Oh, yum. That was delicious.
So the thing about mine, it's highly inedible.
Well, it's not inedible.
It's not inedible, but
2 minutes left.
Sugar.
So you've got to start plating your dish now. Well, Marshall's dish is already
well, the dish was plated in the first place.
Yeah. Delicious over here. And this is looking very creative.
All right, that's it. That's it. I don't.
Well, there's 10 seconds to go.
10 seconds.
9,
No.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Stop cooking.
Wow.
Okay, so I see your wonderful creations here. So, Marshall, would you like to explain what you made?
All right. So this dish, it's called Swan Lake.
Wow.
I made it because, you know, there's a reference to the ballet, the Swan Lake.
Yeah,
and
you know I like
you really
ballet.
like ballet, so I was
Yeah.
like, why not? So that's
Yeah.
just the gist. It's carved from an apple, and
Wow.
for the lake, it's got this cream, but there's the carrot cake underneath, so you can kind of eat it like a cake.
Yeah.
You can, you know, kind of complements itself,
Oh,
the
wow.
flavors.
Well, it's certainly very creative.
Yes, thank you.
It's a really good use of those ingredients, and I'm sure it'll taste good because
Okay.
it is mostly fruit.
Yes, so just
So what shall I try first?
so how you should do it is maybe take a piece from the cake.
Oh yeah, that's it. Ah, okay, I like that.
And it's got a bit of the oats
Oh, thanks.
in it as well.
Oh, wow. Mmm,
I'm gonna taste a piece myself.
it's actually really nice. Yum.
So it's just like carrot cake,
boy.
carrot cake with a bit of icing.
Very good actually.
That's actually good. What? I
Why
mean,
did you think it's not edible?
because when I made it, I was just thinking about the art and the craft.
Yeah, what it's going to look like. But it does taste good. So you know this would be really nice for a party, like for a kid's party. Something like that. They'd probably really enjoy that.
Something fun.
So yeah, it's very fun. And I'm very impressed
Thank you.
with the carving.
Thank you. I can carve one anytime you guys want.
Oh, good. So, Sangeetha, what have you made? Do you want to tell us?
Yes. So I was going to make a cake pops, but the sticks didn't stay in.
Yeah.
So I decided to make truffles instead, and I just blended the cake with some ginger and some spiced nuts. And then I coated it in chocolate, but I wanted to make it a bit different, so I added some chili powder to the chocolate, so it's more like chili chocolate.
Yeah.
And then I rolled it in the chocolate, then I rolled it in more of the spicy nuts.
Yum.
And then, because I had some chocolate left over and some thyme, I thought I'd try to make like a chili hot chocolate as well. So I just used the chocolate, added some coconut cream, some chili powder and some almond milk.
Oh, yum.
That's very nice.
It's really nice and it looks really good too. And you know what I like. So let's dig in. Waiting to try this one. Yum.
I'll try one.
I don't know if the chili
very
was
nice.
strong enough.
No, it's strong enough. I
it
can
is?
taste it. Yeah.
Okay.
I
Really
can
chocolate.
taste
It must be because when it's in the freezer, it comes out more,
Mm.
the flavour.
Maybe.
Because when I was stirring it, didn't taste that strong, but
But now I can actually taste it.
that's good.
Can you taste it, Marshall?
Because I got one with the least chili. I can taste it a bit. It's very good.
It does go really well with the chocolate. It's very nice. Can I have a little try of this?
Yeah, I don't know what that tastes like.
Oh, that's nice.
Is it?
Yeah, I can taste the chili in that too. And it's very chocolatey as well, which I like. I like a hot chocolate to actually taste like chocolate.
They go pretty well together.
Yeah. It is. It's really tasty. And it goes well with the truffles. It would even go well with Marshall's dessert. So, well, I mean, I can't really pick a favourite. I wouldn't like to be a judge. Because this one it's really creative. Now, you didn't really change the ingredients, but you made something really artistic out of them.
Thank you.
Especially that carving. And then Sangeetha actually took all the ingredients and blended them and made something different out of them. And she made like quite an elegant looking dessert, which you could probably serve at a Christmas party or a dinner party or something. Also,
Christmas party?
Yeah.
Kids party.
Yeah, well, there you go. They're both good for different kinds of parties.
Yes.
So, as you can see from what they've done, if you have any leftovers, you can actually take them and make something different out of them.
Yes, yes.
And use them in a creative way rather than just leaving them
Or
or
throwing
throwing
them.
them or whatever. You can actually use them to make another interesting dessert. So there's no need to waste anything either. So I think we all did a very good job. Thank you
No, thank you.
for participating. And I hope people out there are going to be inspired. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.